Welcome back. Now take a look at the frontal system and the trough system in the western and central portions of the Caribbean this evening. Strong shower activity, strong thunderstorm activity across Cuba, also across northern sections of the island of Jamaica, also north of Jamaica. We do see areas of showers and thunderstorms. We're expecting the western Caribbean to be covered in clouds, showers and thunderstorms today through to about Thursday, while that frontal system and that trough system linger across the area for the 2 days. We're expecting things to dissipate sometime on the weekend, Friday going into Saturday. Across the eastern Caribbean, stable conditions, very weak high pressure dominates most of the east, but we still have those scattered mid to upper level clouds across the lesser Antilles. Now the forecast for tonight, shower activity mainly across northern and southeastern sections of the island. We expect the temperatures to drop to 23 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay, with 5-knot winds on both coasts. Northerlies on the south coast and east-southeasterlies on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across most of the area. Then for the afternoon, the showers come again. Isolated thunderstorms as well across inland areas. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 31 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now our breakdown has it cloudy to mostly cloudy for the southeast tomorrow, but we do have shower and thunderstorm activity likely in Maypen and Mandeville. Showers and thunderstorms are also expected further west in Savannah, Lamar and Negril, with cloudy conditions and isolated showers for Montego Bay and Falmouth. Expect shower and thunderstorm activity for Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, as well as for Port Maria, while we expect isolated thunderstorms across inland areas of Golden Spring and Bog Walk, as well as for Moco in Clarendon and Christiana in Manchester. Now, the next few days, cloudy conditions, scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely on Thursday, while isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected on Friday and Saturday. For the marine forecast, east-southeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north tomorrow, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are easterly but get to 20 knots and lift waves to 2 meters. While for offshore areas, we're expecting an east-southeasterly wind regime at 50 knots on average, with wave heights getting up to 1.5 meters. And then for the sunset time in Kingston tomorrow, it's at 17 minutes after 6, 20 past 6 in Mandeville, and 23 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.